I sketched out intestines and then I traced the pattern on fabric. I took black cotton thread to make the outline. It took me almost 3 days alone to do the boundary, and the rest is history. Patience is something that's a must in creating any art. And there's one poem about patience that is: let me be firm and steadfast in spite of opposition. Let my toleration last despite the provocation. Let me possess fortitude to withstand difficulty. Let me have the attitude of braving my misery. Let me have constant effort to achieve my greatest goal, erasing my grime and dirt for redemption of my soul. And with that, I completed the outline of large intestine and colored it with grey paint and cologne with red one. And that's how it's looking so far. After applying sequins in the large intestine, I took these kind of brown cut beads and applied randomly over some distance. The color I chose was to somehow create the illusion of waste product accumulation that does not contain anything good or required and thus have no purpose, and that's why of darker shade rather than any color. Then I took cotton thread to embroider cologne with French knots at some distance, and the color choice was just to create some contrast. And that's how it's looking. Now it's turn of small intestine. I took lilac colored cotton thread and did the border. It will take a while. There's a fun fact about small intestine that it's super thin, just 1.5 inches around. Almost the diameter of a golf ball. But its surface area is massive. When flattened out, it would be almost the size of a tennis court. And it absorbs nutrients from 1 to 3 gallons of digested food per day. It's almost 22 to 25 feet long, while large intestine is 5 to 6 feet. And it's just a wonder how it fits in a tiny space. I painted in small intestine with purple fabric paint, and then I took sky blue, light green, lilac and pink cut beads. I applied them randomly to fill in the spaces. The idea behind colorful beads was that how many different kind of foods we eat daily and shove it in, and then the magic happens, and how beautifully it is broken down and absorbed in our bloodstream, providing the body with all the multiple types of nutrients as per needed. So this variety of color represents variety of food and nutrients in it. And that's how it turned out.